doing a house viewing. This house, I mean, it looks nice though, don't get me wrong, but it looked bit bigger on the listing that I saw. But shoot, this is good for me. Let's check out the backyard, guys. This is actually a smart home. The smart home, I guess, is like a keyless entry to where you can enter a code if you lost your key. But yeah, the backyard is fenced in. You can't beat that. I can let my dog roam free out here. Shoot. They got a good out front part to where I can jog. Like I can jog the whole block, get my workout on. You can't beat that. That's cool. So this is what hard work get you guys. Pantry. I thought this house would be bigger, but yeah, to get the job done, I don't need huge. The bigger you got, the more you have to clean and the more maintenance. So let's check. Okay, so this is the laundry room. This must be the bathroom. Oh no, okay, so we have the garage. Okay, this is great. This is where I can work on my car. Wish it was big enough to bring my big rig in, hot water tank, because I surely would. So, got your hot water hookups for my wash and drying. Man, I gotta go get my stuff out of storage. All this time, guys, my stuff still in storage. I think I made a video showing that. So let's check out the appliances. You got your cabinets. And this is Invitation Homes, guys. You got your temperature control Frigidaire, ice maker. Yeah, Homes for Rent be having some nice properties too. Then you got, your oven, fancy oven. Yeah, I can do some cooking. I'm gonna have to make sure my kids take good care of this because, this is nice electronics or, to be, not taken care of. And I don't play that about not taking care of where you lay your head. So, oh, that's a smart dishwasher called Frigidaire. Okay. Ooh. Still gonna wash dishes by hand though. Don't want to take the easy route. Yeah. So, I showed y'all the backyard. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get the smart home feature. So, comes with a fireplace. I believe this controls the fireplace, so I could put some nice flowers right there. Fancy art. If I had a booth, me and my booth could sit in front of the fireplace. So, I guess it probably takes, you probably have to ignite it since it hasn't been used, but we're gonna figure this out. So, yeah, pretty much got, okay, so this is the bathroom. Anybody leave any turds? Nope. That'd be so unprofessional if somebody left turds. One of the contractors, like, I'll show whoever's viewing this house what they gonna get. That's unprofessional. I don't even want the houses to leave turds. So we got the smart thermostat. Kids always like touching this. I'm definitely gonna have to kick some tail if they keep. But you know how kids like, it's too hot, I wanna turn on the AC. How you gonna turn on the AC in this winter time, boy? You gonna get a spanking. Even Lainey like it. She digging it. Neighborhood don't look bad. See, y'all see the thing on the door? That's the smart home that you gotta pay like $17 extra for. But I don't think I'm gonna get that. So let's look upstairs, guys. Come on. Let's run. Oh, I can do my jogging. Hell yeah. Oh, this got to be the master bedroom. Got to be. Oh, this is spacious for my king size mattress. A king for a queen. Hey. Oh man, this is awesome. When I get off from work, I can have a lovely view because I love nature and stuff. So this will be super awesome. Oh man, y'all know me. The bathroom gotta be on fleek. And this is satisfying to me. Satisfying to me. The tub's satisfying to me. I want to have some lovely days in this thing. Is there any turds? Nope. Alright. Okay. Alright. Double sink for him and her. Even though it's just going to be a her, which is me because I ain't got a him yet. But yes, this is a woman's main thing. Hang all my shoes, all my clothes. Man, oh, this is, man, I've been waiting for this for so long. Man, this is great. All right, let's check out the kids' room. This is, like I said, this is not the biggest house, but it definitely will get the job done. So this ain't bad for the kids' room. So, okay. This is typical for kids. You know, half the time they don't hang their stuff up no way. They have it either all over the room, all over the bed, or who knows, you got to get them. Clean your room up, boy. Get in there and clean that goddamn room. All right, Mom? Who you talking to? Say another word, I promise you. Okay, cool. Shoot, I could have some parties in here, some get-togethers. Be nice if my parents could come down and see me, but I know they ain't gonna come down to no North Cacalacky. So this ain't a bad closet. I can dig it. Okay. Shoot, I think Lainey like it. I can't tell if she make a mistake in here. When I say make a mistake. Alright, so this is the actual bathroom for the first floor. So this is the primary bathroom. This is where you hold the towels, linens, washcloths. Let's turn some light on. So you got your sink. I think they just finished getting this property ready. You know, kids always don't wash the tub out. They're trying to have a ring around that sucker. I'm telling you, my belt will come out if my kids think they gonna mess this house up. I'm gonna turn into Medea on me, but shoot. I don't know karate, but I know crazy. All right. So this is supposed to be a full bedroom. All right, closet. Most kids always have a bad habit of taking doors off of hinges. Like, how in the world, boy, did you take that door off the hinge and messing up blinds? Man, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have a belt on deck, a leather belt at that. Make sure you feel this ass whooping. All right, so this room 1, bathroom 1, room 2, 3, 4. Okay. And so the rest of the rooms are pretty much the same size and everything. So I pretty much had to walk up here. I mean, I parked my truck down the street. That's why y'all see me with this on. So me and my dog walked up here to view this property. So I gotta put the monies down so I can get this home. But I like it. I like it. So most likely this is gonna be the den. And this is going to be the living room. Yeah, and of course, this is, of course, the kitchen, no doubt. All right, so come on, let's walk back to the truck, guys. I know I had to park at least almost, not almost, and this is for real. This is exact, because I looked on my GPS. I had to park a mile away. So me and baby girl walked a mile.